When you have projects with strict deadlines and task dependencies, Project Manager's Gantt charts make it easy to plan and track your team's progress in one dynamic, collaborative place. Even the most complex projects stay on track. The Gantt chart layout is simple. Your tasks and columns are listed on the left, and the waterfall timeline appears on the right, showing you how your tasks unfold over time. Type out tasks or import them from other programs like Excel or Microsoft Project. ProjectManager.com has similar features to MSP, but our Gantt is simpler and easier to use. This space is yours to customize. Choose which columns you want displayed and customize font, alignment, and other formatting options, such as which global currency you'd like to use. The taskbars on the waterfall timeline can be customized to display task name, assignee, % complete, or a combination of the three. These tasks can be organized into phases and milestones. Hitting milestones is a good way to ensure you're on the right track to hit deadlines and can be tracked using reports. To create a phase in your project, enter the phase name followed by its corresponding tasks. By highlighting and indenting the tasks under the phase name, those tasks are now subtasks. Typically, the last task in a phase is a milestone, which can be marked by clicking the diamond icon. Link your tasks by their dependencies on one another, such as start to finish, meaning one task can't begin until the previous one is finished. These dependencies can also be managed and tracked using the link to and link from columns. Now that you've created a new phase, give it a color so it'll stand out in the waterfall timeline. These colors will appear throughout the software, making summary tasks, their corresponding tasks, and milestone tasks easily identifiable in other views. When it's time to focus on a particular type or group of tasks, use filters to display tasks that are priority. Once the project is built, you can track progress on the Gantt. Simply check the progress bar to see if you're on track. With tasks created, it's easy to start assigning them to team members and allocating hours. You can even see which team members are available for more work and who is booked solid. Make sure your team is set up for success by attaching relevant files and adding notes to tasks. Team members can see all of the tasks they're assigned. Here, they can focus on their work and not be overwhelmed with the details of the project plan. In whatever view they prefer, such as list view or Kanban, team members can prioritize tasks, tag people for help, and update their progress. As they update their progress, that status is reflected in real time on the dashboard for easy monitoring and can be shared with reports. Reports are easy and customizable. Include milestones, summary tasks, and any columns you would like to see, with a graph at the top so you can see if you're on track. Your project status report is now ready to share. Project Manager also makes it easy to share or print your Gantt chart. Export your Gantt into formats such as CSV, XML, or Excel, or simply print out your Gantt and bring hard copies to your next big meeting. Whether you're a manager or team member, it's never been easier to build and track complex projects. Sign up now for your free 30-day trial.